Auntie Sumaya.
Yeah.
Auntie Sumaya, kami akan Allah. Shukran. How are you? Shukran for being here. I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Why are you panicking?
Because as if 15de puasa, ek lei die klokkie aan. Dis net is opgemaak hier, so nou ek is in 'n hurry. As 15de puasa wat gebeur, my wife was very impressed with the faluda and the paratas and all of it. So shukran for that. But now, as you know, 15de puasa, the Boeber, and I know you have an amazing mixer, and I need to know how exactly to go about it.
Okay. You're gonna go about it. I'm gonna give it all to you.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna open up a packet.
This one,
The Boeber mix here.
Boeber mix. Yes.
Put it in the open up. Here we go. Throw into your pot, Loukmaan.
This one here.
This one here. Throw in. But it's fine. It's there. Like this little spoon here. Just move a little bit, and then you add in a liter more.
Okay, and how much is in there already in the
That's
pot?
half a liter more.
Half a liter, okay.
Just to let it soak, and then you add in the rest of the milk, and then you pour.
And so how's the pot been for you so far?
Alhamdulillah, your side.
It's good. The girls are
But it's
keeping
going
me.
very quick.
It is, and the girls are, because I'm a lot at home now, so they are like,
Wait. You were going on the 15th of water. Check it big.
Ek is amper weer weg. Die bed is gebrand, maar ek is daar.
Alhamdulillah. No, I must give you a surprise. But no, that surprise you must not wait for it.
Okay, I will wait for the
You're gonna wait
surprise.
for it?
I'll wait for
Okay.
the surprise. So, so is that it? Is it only one packet that you
One
throw in?
packet of Boeber to
Okay.
a liter more. That's all.
Oh wow. Okay.
And you get the smell?
Ek kan tot hier op vir dit already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wah, saya pergi ke
Nee, nee. Okay, so like I said, now know how easy the faluda is. But the Boeber seems to be easier
Yeah.
because it's just the metal.
Because the mixture is already in the packet already. Everything is in there. You understand?
Okay.
So just throw it in the pot, add in your milk, and wham bam, thank you, man.
So there's no 3 hours standing.
No. That
Ek
is
kalau
the
kalau
man.
om me is like nie kom my Boeber maak hom chicken.
Also in the millennium.
And tonight I'm also gonna have some of that dalchi mix thing also.
Yeah, we made a dalchi mix for you from our dalchi. So you're gonna taste it tonight.
Nice.
And the pancake, okay, we didn't have time for the pancake, but we're gonna get there,
But will
inshallah.
there be dynamite tonight as well?
Do you want dynamite?
Let's see for the
For a kick? I'm gonna give you that kick, baby. I'm gonna burn your
Auntie Sumaya,
Yeah,
just don't leave me alone for so long. Tell me, am I doing okay here?
now you're doing a good job.
And I mean,
Awesome.
basically the main product is the milk thing.
Move it. Don't let the milk burn. You know, milk can burn, huh?
Talking about milk that burns. That's the main product here.
Yeah.
And milk can be expensive. So what do you suggest? Where do we get the milk?
You can get the milk at Hashim Bhai and at ABC at a very, very good price. That I can promise you.
And I know I've asked this before,
Okay?
but I need to ask this again. Where can we get all these spices?
You can get it at most of the butchers, the local supermarkets. Yeah, just about everywhere, man.
The independent ones.
The independent ones here.
Okay, so for those of you, follow us below. If you need to know any other questions, check out Hashim. Bye.
Thank you, Loukmaan. Bye. Whoop, whoop.
And Sumaya, I still can't believe that this Boeber took less than 10 minutes.
Quick, man.
And I am so excited to just taste my creation.
Your creation?
I mean your creation,
Okay,
but I mean,
okay. Okay, you made
do you
it.
mind if I
Please, just one.
do the one?
Shukran.
One. That's all yours.
Shukran.
And what you do know, yes, now I know what to do for 15 points apart. There's nog la barang wat koop.
Oh ya Allah,
So,
ik ga de handen
Canola. I am amazing. Wow.
Wait, don't talk, I'm eating.
This is. It's like wow! Go eat. And we need to be have things in place and stuff.
What are we gonna do for eat?
It's a surprise. We've got to down here, but we will
Yeah, we're gonna
stay tuned.
yeah.
Okay? Enjoy.